Welcome all. In this video, we will discuss about Agile Business Analysis Horizon. To make the analysis structured, IIBA has introduced a concept of three horizons for Agile Business Analysis. What it suggests is that the organization will get maximum values if analysis is done at different horizons, namely strategy, initiative, and delivery horizon. These horizons are interconnected via communication and feedbacks. Communication of the information between the two horizons create understanding and clarity on where and how value can be created. The agile business analysts help the decision makers on how best the value or benefit can be created for the organization. Let us understand these horizons individually. Strategy horizon. Many organizations get de-aligned from the customer's need when focusing on the IT initiatives. Organizations just jump into analysis after adopting Agile without giving importance of what the organization need and what they don't need. At this horizon, the strategic decisions are made for the organizational needs and the allocation of available resources in support of that strategy. Decisions made at the strategy horizon identify the products, services, and initiatives to which the organization allocates resources. At this horizon, short term goals, initiatives, and risks are identified that are aligned to organizational strategy. The time duration can be as short as 3 months to as long as multiple years ahead. Initiative horizon. At initiative horizon, the decisions are made that impact a particular goal, initiative, or team. The decisions are made that are acted on in a shorter time period than at the strategy horizon and over a longer period of time than at the delivery horizon. Feedback and learning support the analysis being done at both the strategy horizon and the delivery horizon. Here, decisions like build versus buy are taken. Delivery horizon. At this horizon, the decisions are made regarding the delivery of the solution. Agile business analysts try to understand on how to best break down the work, how to deliver and test the value the team is creating. At this horizon, the work gets prioritized and ordered in the form of stories in the backlog. Decisions are made that can be acted in a shorter time period than at the initiative horizon and that impact the solution currently being developed. Here, analysis involves multiple stakeholders like decision makers and customers as well, so that the value is directly delivered to the customers. Different techniques are available which support decision making. The analysis is iterative in nature. One horizon communicates to the other horizon with the feedback and learning, and it gives a clear picture of the then status and helps to make a better informed decision. I hope you understood the concept of analysis at multiple horizon. For any queries, please send us mail to info@techcanvas.com or you can also contact us at the number mentioned. Thank you.